Welcome to the tutorial on how to run Facebook advertisement, Facebook and Instagram advertisement. And the app you need is this particular app, this app right here. And if you don't have it yet, go to your Play Store or App Store and download it. Just type Ad Manager. This is it right here, Ad Manager. I have it, that's why it's asking me to update. So your own will tell you to install. Then click on install. While it is installing, go to your Facebook, okay, and go to your Facebook and create a page, okay. Creating a page is simple. So click on this button and go to pages and then click on create. Okay. So depending on your choice, if you want it to be a personal or if you want it to be for your business, the first option say personal, use another personal profile to explore Facebook. Then the second one is build a public presence or promote your brand or business. So I rather go for the second option, and it's already there already. So next, then create a new page, start fresh with a new name. Use the second one says use your main profile. So we are creating a new page entirely, but you can also use your profile. Okay, this is the second method to create page. If you are using a professional account, so this is the method you are going to use to create a new page. Simply click on this drop down at the top where your name is, and then click on create Facebook profile. Then select whichever option you want to use. But I'm selecting the second option. Enter the name you want to use. So I'm using that. So I'm going to choose the category that I think this page fall in. So I'm just going to choose internet marketing. Let me choose that. I can choose more, but let's continue. Okay, so just going to set up my bio, whatever I want to write in my bio, my website name, my email, my phone number. I can choose to do that. I can choose to ignore it. So for now, I'm going to ignore that. So we're almost done. So they're asking you to enter your profile picture. Normal, just like you have a Facebook account. Enter your profile picture and then they're asking you to select to invite people. Okay, so invite whoever you want. For me, I'm not inviting anyone, so let's go. Stay informed whatever you want. Voila, your new page has been created, or maybe your new Facebook profile has been created just like that. Okay, so you can see it's just like you having a new professional account. It's as simple as that. So all you have to do now to run ads, if you want to be running ads to your phone number, then add your phone number to your profile. Or if you don't want to do that right now, when you want to run adverts to your phone number, they will ask you to do that. So no need to stress yourself. All right. So now you have done this. So that is all for now. So this is how I usually add money to my page. The same way you can do it from your ad manager, and you can do it from here too. So click on advertise. Like say you want to advertise something, then I just scroll all the way down and then click on add fund. You can see it here. I click on add fund. Okay, this is just an example. So you want to that money came by default, so I'm going to type the amount that I want to put. I can put any amount. Let's say I can put as little as 500 naira. Okay, so that's the 500. And then I'll choose the means. I can use USSD. I can use my debit card. I can use USSD and I can use transfer. But I prefer transfer. So and it's already on transfer. If I use card, I choose USSD and I can choose bank. So my bank is better. So I'm just going to click here and it's going to show me an account number where I'll send the money to. Maybe to add fund. You notice something unusual, and for your security, you cannot add your available fund balance right now. Please try again in 24 hours. That's not fair. But anyways, when you click on next, they're going to display normal bank account details for you to send the money to. I prefer the bank transfer. It is very, very easy. So once you send that money, don't worry, it will reflect on your ad manager. Just click on your ad manager. It will reflect on your ad manager automatically. Okay. So that is it. So okay. Another thing you're going to do is to upload the video you want to use here. Okay. If it's video you want to use, upload it. If it's picture you want to use, upload it. Because from my experience using phone to upload picture in Ads Manager is always difficult. So I don't know why, but it's always easy from Ad Manager to select image or video that is already on the page that you want to use. So let's go to Ads Manager now. So this is Ads Manager. Okay, open it. Okay, then you log in with your Facebook. This is how to log in. Okay, you will log in with your Facebook account. Login. Login as if you're logging into your Facebook account. That Facebook account on which you created your profile, that's your page. That's the login that you put here, either the email or the phone number, and then the password. Once you log it in, it will automatically bring that account here. Okay, so for me, let me see. So then I log in. So you can see. Then click on new. Click on this plus button to get started. Okay. Now, here are different types of advertisement that you can run. You can run advertisement for engagement on your post. You can run advertisements for awareness on your post. You can run advertisement for traffic. You want your advertisement to drive traffic to your website. This is the one you will choose. If you want lead, if you want to get users' information, this is the one you will choose. They will have to fill form, and then you get their phone number, email, and all of that. If you want sales, this is the one you choose. And if you want to promote your app, you want people to install your app, this is the one you will choose. So for now, we are going to choose. Let's choose engagement. Okay, I want people to send me a message. So that's it. And then I can change the name from here, the name of this car, so I can understand, so I can recognize it in case I have multiple. But it's not compulsory I change the name, so I can just write here. Okay, that's it. Then I'll go back. That's it. It's already there. Okay. Then next thing, go ahead, and then here I can still write the same name. So because of that, because I want to write the name, I'll go back. To go back, click on this previous button here. And then I just want to copy this name. I don't want to stress myself. Okay. Open this one and just paste it inside. See, you might not do all of this, so it's not compulsory. Then you click on this message to check that um this thing is selecting the perfect one. Sometimes it might select Instagram, so it's and WhatsApp. So you have to be the one to confirm the one you want to use. And also here you have to select which Facebook profile you want to use. So you click on it, it will bring all the profiles on that Facebook account that you have logged in here. So here you select the profile you want to actually run the advert on top. So now if you look at it, you can see that this is the digital curiosity we created just now. It's already here. So all these profiles are pages or profiles on my account. So this is my main account. You can see it has also become page. I can select any one of them. Let's say I want to select digital curiosity. So it's there. So if I continue now, the ads will be placed on digital curiosity. So but I want to use row 24. So then I'll go back and I'll go to this one on phone. Don't bother to you can't do this schedule on phone. And I don't know why. Another way to schedule, but that's going to be manual. So that's going to be manual. I'll show you before the end of this video. So it's not like you are going to give it time when it will start. So it just I'll just show you. So this is where the main work really is here. So click on audience, and then um you can see it already has Nigeria here. So the location is the entire Nigeria. But if you don't want it to be Nigeria, let's say you want to run this ad to UK, then you click on edit, then you delete you check this box and to delete the current location. Then you type the country you want to use. Let's say you want to use United Kingdom. Just like that. You go back on save. You can see United Kingdom is here. Yes. We're not running out to United Kingdom, just using that as an example. Delete it. Now, let's say I don't want to run out to Nigeria. I want to run out to some particular states. So I'll select the state by simply typing them, or some particular city by simply typing the name of the city. So let's say Lagos, Lagos, Nigeria. That's it. It's a city. Let's say I want to select Port Harcourt, Port Harcourt, Nigeria. That's it. You can see. Let's say I want to select Ibadan. Let's see Ibadan, Nigeria. Let's say I want to select uh, Enugu. Let's see Enugu State. This is the entire Enugu State. But if I want to choose Enugu, see, this is Enugu. It's only giving me Enugu State. But let me just choose Enugu State. Enugu is inside Enugu State. Then if I want to choose Kano, just write. See, it has brought Kano. I don't know this Kano. Let me search for Kaduna. I see Kaduna, Nigeria. So you can see these are all the states I want to run this ads to, and Enugu is all the cities I mean and states. So this ad is going to run on all of that places only. Only people in that state can and in that city can see this advertisement. Now we have just started. Now next thing is if I want to exclude some places, but I'm not doing that. And now this one is important. Include demographic interest and behavior. So for instance, let's say I want to run this ad to, I want people, they're asking me to select the type of people that I want to see, even though I've chosen that I want people in Port Harcourt, Lagos, and all of that to see this ad. They're asking me to still choose this another set of people based on their interest. Like, is it people that love sports that I want to show this ad to, or is it people that love digital marketing that I want to show this ad to? Is it people that love or do I want to show it to people that have lived in abroad before, or do I want to show it to people who just any interest at all that comes to your mind, but make sure it aligns with your niche. So let's see if I can see digital marketing. So this is digital marketing. People that love digital marketing, it's go to them, they will see it. Uh, Facebook page admin. Wow, that's interesting. That's cool. So if you have any advert that you want to run to people that are admin of Facebook page, you can still run into those ones. So who else is in this niche? Let's say digital marketing. Actually, this advert is supposed to go to literally everybody because of the nature of the. But whatever your niche is on, just type it there. And you're ready. So I want to show you something. So once you're done with the setups, like I already told you, just click review and then click on this green button publish. Once you click on this publish, your ads goes to review. And once they review and they are done, they are satisfied with it, they are going to publish it to the public. Now, there is something I said I wanted to show you. This thing was messing up before. Let's see, this is the problem. So there's something I said I wanted to show you. So let me show you. Let me see if I can show you. I wasn't able to place that due to uh my what is it? Ad manager crashing just before I could click on that button. So so if Let's say we choose that, for instance. Then um now let's say even though we have chosen people that live in this location and we have chosen people that have this interest, okay, there are some people who still don't want to show these ads to. So we exclude people who match the name I want to type now. My feature phone. So here they are. So I'm just going to mark them that I don't want those kind of people to view my advertisement. Okay. And you can go ahead and select. Let's say you don't want people who use iPhone to select to view your advertisement. You can add it. Say Facebook access. Then you type iOS. So here is all the Apple devices, and I should be able to choose. This one says iPhone 4S. So basically that's it. So you can just select here. So once you check mark this one, you go ahead. People who use iPhone will not be able to see your adverts. Okay. You have excluded people who use feature phone and people who use iOS rating system. So make I not go mistake to this one. I not go I did this one. I just come out this iOS people. Save. Okay, then this is very, very important. See this age, minimum age and all of that is very, very important. Now, select your minimum age. Me, I don't, for this post, I don't want people who are from 18. I want people from 22 years and above. And I don't want people of 65 years old. So maximum I'm going to do is going to be 50 years. Even the 50 is huge. But let me just use 50 years old. This 50 years old is too much, actually. Let's just choose it. Then gender, you can select different gender. If you want women to view it, you want men to view it. But for this case, I'm leaving it to all genders. Okay. And then we are done with that. So here it's telling you your expected audience based on all the streamlines that you have done, all the trim that you have done, all the selected and excluding and all of that. So you are going to have an audience of between 7.3 million to 8.5 million people that might see your post. It's not like all of these people are going to see your post. People that fall into the category to see your post. That's what they're telling you. So let's go back. And now we have set our audience, so our taste now. Next thing we are going to set is our placement. This is also going to help you trim the the your targeting. Okay, so select manual placement. That's what I usually do. And from device, me I'll select mobile. I'll select mobile. So only people with phone can see this advertisement. If you're on desktop or laptop, you cannot see it. Now, platform. So since I want to run adverts to my I'm running adverts to my messenger, Facebook Messenger. So I'm going to uncheck Instagram. Okay, so only people on Facebook and on Facebook Messenger can see this advertisement. Okay, now where do I want them to see the advertisement? This is Facebook feed. I like that one. This is Facebook Marketplace. I don't like that. So I will remove it. I will check it. So Messenger inbox. I don't like that one. We also uncheck it. This one says Facebook profile feed. Profile feed. Ah, this might be good, but Facebook notification, I don't like that. And Facebook Messenger story, I like that. Facebook reel, I like that. Let's keep going. Any other? So it has finished actually. So now we only have 5 places where we want this to show. I really don't trust it. I've never used it before. But I'm thinking that it is when someone goes to their own profile or you go to somebody's profile and that I haven't picked that movie. So I only have 4 places left. No, 3 places left. Facebook feed, Facebook story, Facebook reel, and Messenger story. What's Facebook story now? Ah, why is it not showing on Facebook story? They are doing anything wrong. They removed this Facebook story. Very, very, very. I used to. Well, I didn't know, sha. So we have selected all the places where we want people to see our post. So let's go to the next point. The next thing is I think we already copied the link. Place it. The next one is ad setup. So here we're going to select whether we want image or video, so or carousel. So we have selected. So we're just going to go back, and from here we'll now be able to select the video because it's video we want to use. But if it's image you want to use, you can leave it like that. That is it. Then it's asking us to add the video itself that we want to use. Click on that, and then page video. These are videos that are in my page, and I can use any of them. Let me use this one. I don't even know. So let me use that one. Okay, now headline. Say we should give it. So for the headline, you can. It's just like a short, maybe call to action or topic of what you're saying, and then at the primary text, that's where you write a description of what you want to say, like what you want to tell people, maybe a brief message that you want to tell people. Okay, that's just what you have to write there. It doesn't have to be too long. Okay, primary. Now, and then we can also set a default message, that's automatic message responder. So to do that, this is already there by default, so we are going to change it to our desired message. So greeting message says welcome, but okay, it says welcome people to conversation after they tap on your ads. Now this is the greeting one, so we can change it to whatever we want. And questions they can choose from. And then can I learn more about your business? That's also okay. Instead of your business. Basically, this particular page is for this message template is for you to, customize it to your own taste according to your product or your service, okay, or whatever you're running ads on. You customize it to your own taste. You can write anything you like. So the questions there are also available for you to customize to your own taste. You ask people questions, and you all these questions are questions that those people are going to ask you, not you that you will ask them. They're going to be the one to ask you that question. So when they come, they select any question that they want, and then instead of them typing message manually, they will just select that one, and then it comes to you directly, and then you're already prepared for that message for that question, and then you just answer them. So that's how it is. So we can also preview this. Like, simply. So this is what it's going to look like. So when a user clicks on that button, they're going to see this message automatically. So you're going to say, "I let us know," okay, and then they'll be able to click on any of these buttons, any of these answer questions. Okay, so let me go and put, and then let's go. So that will make them want to click on it. Okay, so you can add button. The button would be send message. Okay, call to action. This call to action is from your post before they even get to message you. So when they see the advert, they will see this call to action. So now let's preview what this entire, that is what everything we have done. We want to see what it will look like to people when they see it. So we click on preview. Please don't mess up today. So these are how they are going to look on different areas where we want them to show. So on Facebook feed, this is what it will look like. Okay, and you can see learn, those things are root. That's where they found themselves. Oh shit! Once you are done with the setups, like I already told you, just click review and then click on this green button, publish. Once you click on this publish, your ads goes to review. And once they review and they are done, they are satisfied with it, they are going to publish it to the public. Now, there's something I said I wanted to show you. This thing was messing up before. Let's see, this is the problem. So there's something I said I wanted to show you. So let me show you. Let me see if I can show you. I wasn't able to place that due to uh my what is it? Ad manager crashing just before I could click on that button. So come back to this beginning and click these three buttons on top of that ads, and then toggle. See this one that is green, that is blue like this, toggle it off and leave it like that. So you can see it says off. So when they eventually approve that advert, they will send you notification that they have approved it. So when they approve it, this ad will not start running immediately. The ad will wait for you until you come and toggle it on back. So you, as person that is running adverts, and you know that you have turned it off. So you give it some time. You know the time that you want to. Let's say you want your advert to start running by 4 o'clock. So once it is 4 o'clock, come back to this place and toggle it on. By then, they would have approved your advertisement. Approving your advertisement could take time. It might not take time sometime by Facebook, depending on the kind of information that you have in the picture or the image. They might reject your advertisement. So when they reject it, they will even tell you the reason why they rejected it. Then you can improve on that. You can either remove it or try to find something to do so that they will be able to approve your advertisement. So that is, and once they approve it, it will start running. You can see this particular advert. So this particular one spent a total of 570 at a rate of 0.2 0.6 naira per engage. For each person that engaged with that post, because total cost I spent was 660 kobo, not up to 1 naira, and the post engagement was 932. So 932 people engaged with it. Is either they view it, or they liked it, or they comment, or they sent message, whichever one they do, whatever they do to that post is what they recorded here as 932. So, but some people might just view it without liking or commenting or sending message. They will still count it. Viewing is also engagement. So that is how it is. Of that. And if you want me to tell you the service I'm promoting, that from which I'm making the money you saw in my advertisement, then send me a message and I'll give you full details on how to get started with those. I have like 3 of them that I'm partnering with. I'm running adverts on their products and I'm making my money constantly. All the money you saw from my advertisements were all mine. Like, it's not like I'm going to remove money for production or for anything. No, any money you saw on that dashboard are mine. Okay, I'm not spending it for production of anything. The only money I'm going to remove out of it is the money I used to run adverts. And that particular one you saw, the adverts I run was just 2,000 naira advertisement. Just 2,000 naira advertisement, and I was able to make around 120,000 naira. So if you want to know how I'm doing that, so send me a DM again, or you can just contact me on this WhatsApp phone number that is currently on your screen right now. Okay, don't waste time. This skill you're just acquire now is the biggest of all skill, all social media skill. See, there's no skill on social media that you acquire that will make you money unless you use this particular Facebook and Instagram or YouTube advertisement on top of it, or maybe TikTok let me just say social media advertisement. Okay, once you acquire a big skill, whatever, even if that skill can make you 1 billion in a day, good. If you do not promote that skill that you have it, nobody will know and nobody will give you business or buy your product, and you will not make that 1 billion that you think you want to make. So to me, I think that's why I believe that social media advertisement is the biggest skill, digital skill anybody can acquire. Because once you have that this social media advertisement skill, there's nothing you cannot make money on top. Okay. The truth is, everyone on social media want to buy one thing or the other, or they want to access one service or the other. They are just people looking for something to buy. So, and almost everybody is on social media. And if you position yourself for them to see, then they are going to buy it. So anything you advertise will get customer to you. So don't play with this skill you just acquired now. It's actually the boss of all other skills, as little as it is. Okay, this one to you. Good luck.